Welcome to Luxury Tech YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about why it takes 6 months to build just one Rolls-Royce. Before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to Luxury Tech channel for future updates. 6 months to be exact. The majority of Rolls-Royce vehicles take 6 months to construct because they are meticulously handcrafted by brilliant designers, engineers, and technicians who use the finest materials. Their appearance can also be tailored to your specifications, with materials chosen by you, the owner of your one-of-kind Rolls-Royce automobile, being used. Premium materials can be used to personalize your Rolls-Royce. Every new Rolls-Royce can be customized to meet your specific needs and desires. You have complete control over how your Rolls-Royce will look and feel, from the color of the exterior paint to the materials used in the interior. Listed below are just a few examples of what you could personalize in your new Rolls-Royce automobile or SUV. A color palette for the exterior paint job is available for the Rolls-Royce brand, with 44,000 standard colors available for use on the exterior. Some customers go so far as to design and name their own color, ensuring that their Rolls-Royce remains completely unique for the rest of their lives. Starlight headliner lights can be installed on the inside of your car's roof to give the appearance of a night sky. You can also rearrange those lights to create any constellation you desire, or even have the night sky from a specific date projected onto your interior walls and ceilings, such as the night sky from when your child was born. A family crest that you'd like to display on your vehicle can be done with embroidery or tattoos. Any symbol can be embroidered or tattooed onto the leather upholstery if desired. It is also possible to have it set into the wood veneer. Only the highest quality materials are used. The exotic woods are procured directly from the source and stored at the optimal temperature and humidity levels to preserve their natural beauty. Specifically, the leather comes from young bulls who are raised on farms with no barbed wire fences, at high elevations, and in barns where they can sleep at night. The addition of special materials such as alligator skin, ostrich pelts, and other exotic hides can be arranged upon request. You can even have wood taken directly from your family's woods to create a truly legendary interior for your home or business. A Rolls-Royce is built in a period of time that is not specified. It can take up to 6 months to repair a single automobile, which has piqued the interest of many Austin drivers. The short answer is that nearly every task is completed by hand in the vast majority of cases. However, personalizing a Rolls-Royce entails more than just selecting from a selection of door trim woods and seat leathers. As a Rolls-Royce customer, you have the opportunity to contribute your own completely original design ideas to the development of your vehicle. It's a little like designing your own trim level, but in a limited edition of only one copy. Learn more about the work that goes into each and every Rolls-Royce automobile from the knowledgeable staff at Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Austin in the following section. From the ground up, everything is custom. Only a handful of luxury automakers still construct their vehicles by hand, but the Rolls-Royce production line is based on traditional craftsmanship that is enhanced by state-of-the-art technological innovation. For example, you'll find leather artisans treating and working premium bull leather by hand, and then laser-guided cutting equipment is used to precisely cut each piece of leather into its final shape. However, some processes simply cannot be improved through the use of technology. Cutting corners is not an option, which is why Rolls-Royce employs 4 professional detailers who spend 3 to 4 hours just on the polishing process alone, according to the manufacturer. Although it is impossible to list all of the ways in which Rolls-Royce distinguishes itself from other luxury brands, we have compiled a list of some of the most notable aspects of their manufacturing process. All bull leather is used to avoid the possibility of cow leather stretch marks. Due to the fact that leather is dyed throughout, scratches will not show up as a different color. On wood interior surfaces, only natural veneers are used. In light of the many distinctive features and finishing touches on Rolls-Royce vehicles, it only makes sense to put your trust in a Rolls-Royce collision center for any necessary repairs, even if the damage is minor such as hail damage. By the same token, you'll want to make sure that all services and repairs are performed at an authorized Rolls-Royce facility in order to maintain your warranty. Automobiles are following a slow fashion trend. The Rolls-Royce factory deliberately slows down the car building process in order to ensure that each component is crafted to perfection. Almost from the moment you walk into a Rolls-Royce factory, you will notice a significant difference in the calm, productive flow of work. Seat upholstery, interior siding, and dashboards are examples of areas where small teams concentrate their efforts. Although the Rolls-Royce factory is technically an assembly line, in practice it is more like a group of artisans who have come together to create something truly remarkable with their combined talents and skills. You'll be able to rest assured that a group of experts had the opportunity and freedom to produce their very best work. In Austin, you can order a Rolls-Royce for you. In the absence of customization, how long does it take to build a Rolls-Royce? If you like the new Ghost or Phantom as is, the construction process could be completed in as little as 2 to 3 months. You can rest assured, however, that every element, even those that do not require extensive customization, is expertly crafted by hand. We provide drivers in the Dallas and Houston areas with the most recent Rolls-Royce models, as well as a diverse selection of pre-owned vehicles. According to one statement that we hear frequently, whenever you become frustrated with yourself, remember that it takes 13 hours to build a Toyota and 6 months to build a Rolls-Royce. The implication is that if you want to achieve significant goals and grow as a person, you will need to be patient and persistent. It's a heartfelt sentiment. All of us would benefit from learning how to be more patient, and learning how to be self-disciplined is essential for success in life. Although many people are intrigued by this fact, they are also curious about how long it takes to build a Rolls-Royce. Although we do not have the same authority as Rolls-Royce headquarters in Goodwood, England to respond to this question, we do have some information that people may find interesting. What is it about the Rolls-Royce manufacturing process that takes so long? The short answer is that nearly every task is completed by hand in the vast majority of cases. Exterior painting is the only one-time exception we can think of off the top of our heads. Due to the need for uniformity in this operation, the mechanized skill of a robot is preferred over human skill. The vast majority of tasks, however, including everything from polishing and buffing the painted exterior to inserting sound-deadening materials and marquetry, which includes the creation and embellishment of all wooden trim, are performed by humans. The average amount of time it takes to become an expert in each of these skills is 3 years. That means that you would need to practice for approximately 1,000 days to become proficient at something like inserting audio vents before you could be considered an expert. How long does it take to complete the task? The answer to this question, as with many others, is that it varies. This is especially true for Rolls-Royce, as we are a brand that values a high degree of personalization and customization. This is referred to as tailored. The greater the number of bespoke options that a customer chooses, the longer it will take to build the desired vehicle. For a standard Rolls-Royce model with the bare minimum of bespoke features, the production time is approximately 3.5 months. Adding 7 to 10 days for transatlantic shipping, another week for quality testing by the dealer, and a few days for the transfer from the regional office to your home or office, you could be looking at a timeline of up to 4 months for completion. The additional week of quality testing is in addition to the week of quality testing that has already been completed in the Goodwood facility. A desirable characteristic of products that are made by hand is their degree of variability. This variability, on the other hand, can also result in defects that are more difficult to detect. Whenever a robot makes a mistake, the error will be visible in all 10,000 products that the robot has touched. If a mistake is made by a person, it is possible that it will only be present in one product out of 10,000. Rolls-Royce goes to great lengths to ensure that its vehicles are not only one of a kind, but that they are also thoroughly protected from any flaws that may occur during production. Hey people, if you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell before you go. If you want to watch more videos like this, you can click above to see more of our channel.